Mason Fluid Art, and I have an unboxing video for you today. I'm so excited! I just received, delivered today, this big old box. So we're gonna go ahead and see what she sent. I'm excited. You can tell. I should have opened it before I started the video. Now everybody's gonna say, wow, she's really weak. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm excited. Okay, what do we have here? I'm a sniffer. Chatty-O's a sniffer too. Of course, everybody knows that. Okay, here we go. Oh. What is this? Oh my God. This is a 3D printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chambers. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then you can take this guy out. You're gonna have to show me how to use this, my friend. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Yay! It is a fluid art painting tool that you pour through and it makes really cool designs. Thank you, Sparkle. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, there's a letter and everything. I love you so much, Sparkle. Oh my God, you always make everything so special. Oh, there's something in the bottom too. Okay. Yay. I hope you don't mind if I read it out loud, Sparkle. She gave me a handwritten note. I'm not sure if you can, probably not because of the lights, sorry. But she says, "Dear Angie, I hope you like this labor of love I have created for you. The 2 red surprises are from John Franklin Art that I thought you might have some fun with." Thank you so much, Sparkle. I put the alcohol ink piece in a magnetic sleeve in case you wanted to stick it on something metal, not your computer. It's going on my fridge. Yay, love you, Sparkle. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, and here's the alcohol ink. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna be careful. I don't want to keep my letter. I always keep my letters and my correspondence that I get from people. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna hold on to the letter. Oh my God. Wow. Sparkle. Man, this is gorgeous. Look at this. She did this with alcohol inks. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I love it, Sparkle. Thank you so much. That is amazing. You're gonna have to help me with the alcohol inks because I don't do them very well. I'm telling you, you are right up there with Julie E. and Janice. Jazz hands. Okay. All right. Oh, what is this? What? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is adorable. Wait. Oh, wait. Something fell off here. The E, hang on, let me fix it here. In the travel from the shipping, some of the thingies came off. Hang on. Where's my T? I need the T. I'm not spilling the tea. Well, I guess I did spill the tea because it fell off. Wait, let me try and find it here. Oh, I found it. I found the tea. Okay. Oh, girl, I love this. Let me make sure they're all sticking good. It must have got jostled when it was... Okay. This is an absolutely beautiful apron, which I will be too afraid to wear because I don't want to get it messed up. But it says, they're not sticking very well, but it says Team Sparkle. And I have always been and always will be Team Sparkle, baby. I think I lost an S. I lost an S. Okay, that's all right. It's okay. Yeah, we'll just stick him right there. Look, Team Sparkle. Oh my God, I lost the S again. Oh my, it's okay. I love this. I love this, Sparkle. You're so thoughtful and so generous. I absolutely adore this. Thank you so much. You're the best. Okay, now we're gonna open this guy up. You are an excellent packer, by the way, there, Sparkle. I just want to let you know that. Art by Sparkle. Keep your sparkle on. Oh, you used your stamp on the back. I love it. Love you, sis. Sparkle. Oh, I love you too, honey. I love more than I can express in words. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now I'm opening it from the back, so I won't see it when I, you know. Sparkle, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. It is stunning. It is stunning, and I'm gonna hang it up here in my art room so that everybody can see it. This is... You put a lot of work into this, girl. I know you did. And look at all that sparkle. I love it. Thank you, my friend. This means the world to me. It really does. Thank you so much. My God, that's gorgeous. I'm going to show it again. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. And these are little gemstones. It's stunning. Thank you, sis. I appreciate it. Oh my God. Okay. And I think there's one more. Ooh. Okay, I'm taped up. Hang on. Oh. Okay. Okay. Almost. Okay. Let me get the last thing here, and then. This is the other red thing that I will use in my paint pouring. I love these paint pouring cups and toys, and they make the best effects for real. Okay. Oh my goodness! I can't get it out! Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8-chamber with a handle. Oh my God. Split cup. With a handle. Oh my Thank you, Sparkle. You're gonna have to teach me how to use this one. I'm not quite sure. It kind of looks like a top or a, you're gonna have to teach me how to use this one here because I'm not quite sure. But I am so psyched. Oh wait, do you spin it like a top? No, it doesn't spin. We'll talk about this one. I'm very intrigued. And this, I'm gonna use it on my next live. I'm just so excited. Yay. Sparkle, you are such a bright light in our community. You are the glue that keeps us all together. And I can't thank you enough. This was so generous of you and thoughtful. And you really brightened what has been, you brightened my day. You brightened my whole month, my whole year. I'm going to show this one more time because it's absolutely gorgeous. You're amazing, Sparkle. Thank you so much. And I am will always be Team Sparkle, even though my little letters kind of came off. That's all right. I'm going to stick them back on with some super glue because I'm going to have them on when I wear my apron. Okay, thank you so much. And thank you all for watching. That was a lot of fun. So, love and light to you and yours. And always remember, keep pouring until you're soaring in art and in life. See you guys later.